Hi, I'm Jerry with Rol Air Plumbing Heating. Are you a homeowner that needs help with the regular maintenance in their home? Well, you're in luck. I got some videos for you. We're gonna go over things like changing the furnace filter, checking your sump basket and float, turning off water lines and gas valves. Let's get started. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about flushing a water heater. For these purposes here, this is our training water heater. We do not have it hooked up to the venting side of it, but it is a fully functioning water heater hooked up to our water lines. So the first thing you wanna do is you're gonna wanna grab a hose, put it onto the drain port. A lot of times it is near the bottom of the water heater, right next to your gas valve. For these purposes, you are gonna wanna find a floor drain. For us, we don't have one near, so we're gonna use this bucket here. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn the water off to a unit. You can locate that on the cold side of your water heater. We're gonna shut it down. Sometimes you need a flathead, sometimes you can turn it with your hand. It depends on which water heater you have. So we're gonna open this up. And you're just gonna let the water drain out into the floor drain. Best practice with this is you can open up a faucet on a second floor or something like that to allow the water to drain down. Once you get a lot of that water drained out, you may see some rusty water, some little particles of sediment and things like that, and that is our goal, to get all the sediment out of your water heater. Once you get it drained down, we're gonna turn this back off. And then we're gonna wanna turn the water back on. When you do this, you wanna do it in a slow manner. You wanna let this thing pressurize, and you'll hear it. Once it goes up, you are good to go. You can also go back to your faucets and bleed out any air that this thing is going to put out. If you have any troubles, just let us know. We can perform this for you as well.